Being a double-edged sword, science and technology can both benefit and destroy mankind. The more capable science and technology are of doing anything good to mankind, the stronger they are to bring in hell. The greedy, selfish, and short-sighted nature makes human beings merely see the bright side of science and technology, while ignore the dark side, or simply believe weal is ours and woe is others. Obviously, many scientists have spotted the insecurity of science and technology, but they chose to conceal the truth. How did the devil of genetic technology come out? In the mid-19th century, it was largely argued that heredity was a mixed process. Austrian scientist Mendel had been conducting genetic research by hybridizing peas. In the 1860s, he proposed that heredity is an indivisible and independent unit, rather than a mixed process. This independent unit is called a gene later, but the nature of gene was unknown. Afterwards, studies continued for another 50 to 60 years. In the early 20th century, American scientist Morgan used the fruit fly as a subject to study genetic problems and concluded that genes are located on chromosomes. More than 40 years after that, by 1953, it was proposed that the DNA molecule in the chromosome acts as the carrier of the genetic information. But at this time, the issue remained a bit obscure. It was not completely figured out until 1967,